What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I have a day trading recap. Made a little profit on stock MTFB. All right, guys. So today, things started off, and we had some, gappers going. Nothing huge. I really didn't like anything, on the scans this morning, like yesterday. So kind of took it easy. Figured I would keep my eyes open at, on my scans at open, but then right before the open, right before the bell, MTFB made a really big move. Let me pull this up here and show it to you real quick. I do have live trades on it. So we had MTFB trading in this channel here, okay? And let me show you on the daily what that kind of looked like. So we had it here. It was messing around in pre-market, and we were looking for it to pop over this line right here, which is the 250s, which it did. And then pop over this one for the gap fill, which it did. And it did most of that work in pre-market. As you can see right here, it popped over this 250 and then it went all the way over $3, and the volume was increasing and increasing. This was big volume in pre-market, but it's being dwarfed by this volume at the bell. So 3-minute candles. Okay, so then we had this open and a big push. I mean, that's a real big push from the 320s all the way to $4. That's a real big push. I'm sure gap and go traders at the bell banked big on this one. But I waited for my pullback. That's I like to trade as safe as possible. So it pushed up, it pulled back in here in this candle, and it's still kind of pushed and broke over $4. And then in this big candle here, I was looking for a small, short, steady pullback into VWAP. It didn't really give us that because in this candle it washed straight down to VWAP. But what I did notice as the wash was taking place was the volume wasn't dramatic. It wasn't huge. So I did like the VWAP was in front of this 350 area. 350 is a $0.50 area. So I put a bid out and got filled at 354 right as it washed. I was thinking that we would, kind of make a big move back over $4 and squeeze again. However, as I sat in that bid that I had put out, I noticed the volume was increasing and increasing and increasing. And it was increasing like on a heavy side. Like the tape looked heavy. The time in sales, it just looked heavy. There was a lot of selling pressure there. So I quickly took my profit. And I do have this trade live, and I will play it here for you pretty quickly. But the reason I want to explain everything, right? The reason I took my profit where I did was because the tape looked heavy. My risk was 7-10 cents on the trade, and I was already up over 20 cents, right? When I started to consider taking profit. So my risk reward was perfect. It was there. And I took my profit. I took about 20 cents profit on this. Let me show you my orders before I show you the actual trade. This is my one and only trade today. So MTFB buy 354. And then I put out a stop quote order. And then I sold at 370.39. So 374, 20 cents. I took a profit on this trade, which is great because my risk was about 7 cents, maybe 10 cents at worst case. Okay, because I was in at 354. My support line was VWAP and this $0.50 area. So I would stop out just under it. Give it a little room because nothing ever really works to the penny. Let me show you this trade here. Is it this one? No, this is not it. That's just me with the intro. Here we go. Let me bring this over. Okay, so here we are. Can you see everything? Yes. So here we are, 500 shares, 355 cost average. And you can see here how the tape just looks heavy. It kind of like moving really like robotic. It's not fluid. It's just, like bunch of sell orders, bunch of buy orders, bunch of sell orders, bunch of buy orders. There's a lot of sellers here in these 370s and 380s. So boom, there I took my profit, at 374 basically, 373.9. And the stock makes a quick little attempt, but still, look how much selling pressure there is there on those 380s. You know, even in that next candle, it still can't do it, right? And oh no, I didn't record. I thought I recorded a little bit more. But okay, so that was it. Then you can see here, it makes one little attempt at 398, but it quickly just collapses, kind of like on a bear flag. And then it's been trading downward ever since then. VWAP and the 90 MA kind of holding it down there now. That's it. That's really all there was to it for me as far as my trade goes. We also had FCSC make a move. Well, here you can see it. Let me move this. Let me get this chart here for you. FCSC made this real nice move here from $2.12 all the way to $3.26 or so. That was a real big move on real nice increase in the volume. But look at that nasty wick and then fades. Now let me show you the daily on this one. It went, well, here, check it out. It went right in front. You see this line right here is at 340s, right in front of that in the 320s. I mean, it still had room, but it didn't make it all the way up there because resistance lines are kind of holding up a little today. Let me show you this daily on FCSC. You see these wicks here, 330s, 340s, 320s. That's kind of like where it went to. Its resistance lines are holding up real strong today, real strong. We do have the FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. So that could be one reason. That's probably the reason why we have such light volume today. But I'm playing it safe. Made my profit on the day, 20 cents, 500 shares. Small risk, nice reward. I am done. How did you do today? Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded. Remember to hit the subscribe button, notification bell as well, so you're alerted when I upload my videos. And hey, do me a favor, smash that like button if you enjoyed the trades and you enjoy these videos. Remember also that when you sub, it really does help me out. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content and I'll keep producing it, all right? I hope you're having an excellent day, great morning, and I'll catch you on the next one.